Adjectival nouns in Igbo. An adjectival noun is an adjective that can function as the complement of the verb. An adjectival noun could sometimes be equivalent to predicate adjective in English. Remember from one of our lessons on verbs, that is the lesson on verb complements, we said most Igbo verbs require noun complements to have meaning. So let's take this example. So she ate food. Oriri, nri. Nri is the noun. Nri is food. Nri is the noun complement here. So in English, you can say she ate. Yes, she ate. But in Igbo, you can't say she ate. You have to say she ate food. If you don't want to say she ate food, you can say she ate rice, or she ate orange, or she ate yam. But there needs to be a noun to give meaning to the verb. Let's take this other example. She danced. Easy in English, she danced without a noun. But in Igbo, there needs to be a noun. So in Igbo, she danced is Obara Egu. Obara Egu. Egu is the noun. Egu is the noun complement that gives meaning to bara. Bara always requires egu. Without egu, bara won't have meaning. We won't know that you are talking about dance. We won't know what she did. So obara egu. She clapped. Okoro aka. Aka is the noun. Aka is hand. So aka is the noun complement that gives meaning to the verb koro. Okoro aka is like saying she clapped hand, or she clapped her hand, or however you want to say it, but aka needs to be there for it to have a meaning. So she clapped. Okoro aka. Take note of the syntax. So we have all means she, so the pronoun here, all, which is the subject. So we have subject, koro, verb, aka, noun. So we have subject, verb, noun, right? Okay, let's go to adjective, which is the essence of this lesson. So she is beautiful. Omara mma. She is beautiful. Omara mma. Take note of the syntax, very similar to, or actually the same with what we saw earlier. So it is subject or mara, the verb, and ma, noun. So it's still subject, verb, noun, right? Ma is the noun here. So here, ma is what some people refer to as adjectival noun, some refer to it as predicate adjective, some just refer to it as a noun form of an adjective. So it is a noun here, right? So she's beautiful is Omara ma. She is fat. Oburu ibu. Oburu ibu. So ibu is the noun complement here, or is the noun if you like, or is the adjectival noun if you like, or is the predicate adjective, whatever you want to call it. So she is fat. Oburu ibu. Let's take more examples. Mary is tall. Mary toro ogologo. Ogologo is the noun. Toro is the verb. Mary is ugly. Mary jọrọ njọ. Mary jọrọ njọ. Njọ is a noun. You know, it actually has an adjective form. The adjective form of njọ is ajo. So njọ can take several forms. Can take adjective, can take noun. So we have njọ, we have ajo, we have ojo. But here we're looking at the actual noun form of the adjective, which is njọ. Mary jọrọ njọ. The cup is full. Iko ahụ juru eju. Iko ahụ juru eju. My dog is blind. Nkịta m kpuru isi. Nkịta m kpuru isi. Isi is the noun, the adjectival noun for blind. That pear is ripe. Ube ahụ chara acha. That pear is ripe. Ube ahụ jiri eji. So now in Igbo land, there are several pears. There could be ubemba, ube, different, but they're in two groups. So one group of the ube, of the pear, when they are ripe, they become lighter in color. So when you want to say those ones are ripe, you say ube ahụ chara acha. So they have lightened, which means they are ripe. When they ripen, they lighten. The color changes from dark to light. Then the other species of pear, when they are ripe, they become dark. So when you want to describe, when you want to say those ones are ripe, you say they are now dark. They've become ripened, but use the dark instead of the light. So you can use, depending on the type of pear, it could ripen to light color or it could ripen to dark color. So jiri eji is for the species that lighten to dark color. His basket is old. Nkata ya kara nka. Nka is the noun for old. So nkata ya kara nka. That food is small. That food is small. Nri ahụ pere mpe. Nri ahụ pere mpe. That orange is sweet. Oroma ahụ tọrọ ụtọ. That plate is dirty. Efere ahụ ruru unyi. Unyi is the noun for dirty. Okay? Bye.